Hello everyone! In this video, we will talk and explore the historical stories, beautiful landscapes, and delicacies of Bula. This is Helena Faye Cortero and welcome to the home of Masasarig, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Bula belongs to the 5th Congressional District in Camarines Sur. It has 33 barangays that consist of poroks and sitios.
Our land were discovered by the Spaniards in the year 1574. To be exact, it was April 3, 1574. Bula is one of the first four pioneering towns that was discovered by the Spaniards, along with municipality of Nabua, Kipayo, na nasa Kuwasiana sa Alabanga, and Caceres, na naganas yan nila. And the fourth one is Bula. So, way back then, 1574, there was a Spaniard conquistadors daw na nagbabarabangka the Bicol River, Awili and Bicol River. Nagroon kuno sila sa da portion sa da barrio. Agko kuno sila mag-agom na nainin. Native Filipinos naglalabas silang kawayan. Iris-iris, naglalabas kawayan. So, nag-uwa ko nagtong Espanyol, unong lugar niya, pero in their term, in their language, Spanish. They thought, they were asked kung ano itong kapot-kapot na. So, they answered, Bula. So, from then, kung ninaranan ako mga Spaniards, hindi ka natulog locality in Bula. So, way back 2015, when the LGU commissioned Dr. Danilo Herona para mag-yan Spain para isiyan sa mga history. So, dun lang nalaman na our foundation day was 1574, April 3. Kaya puun ko 2015, nagsi-celebrate na kitang foundation anniversary every April 1 to 3. Pero, puun 2015 hanggang 2023, it was called Kamukunaan Festival.
But just this year, the town celebrated its first ever Kawayan Festival. In the municipality, you can visit Bula's local museum, called Museo de Kawayan. Inside the museum, there are antiques, artwork of Bulaeños, some of the local products, and the achievement that the municipality have throughout the years. You will also see a kawayan or bamboo product which Bula is known for. Along with that is the municipality's local library.
We're here at the St. Mary Magdalene Church. In 1939, the NHCP or the National Historical Commission of the Philippines declared the church as one of the National Historic Landmarks.
The church was destroyed by fire in 1676 and typhoon in 1700s. The present structure was completed in 1706 and repaired in 1876 and 1885.
Tanawan Eco Park is a pilgrimage viewing deck of the neighboring towns of Rinconada.
It is home to the statue of Our Lady of the Family, where pilgrims and devotees visit along with their prayers and faith. And now, we are going to visit one of the tourist spots here in Bula that has also significant history. It is called Nalalata Falls, located at Barangay Lubgan.
Ito kaya tinawag na Nalalata Falls kasi yung pinagmumulan ng itong yung bukal yung tubig kurting lata.
Our next stop is this more than 100 years old ancestral house located in Barangay Itangon, Bula. This house is known as Kagay. This is owned by Mr. Jose Puntanal and Mrs. Esperanza Balares Puntanal.
Throughout the years, the house has survived disasters such as earthquake and typhoons, but it's still standing strong up to this day. Inside the house, you will see some of the things that the ancestors of the house have. It has its own chapel and known for the fiesta of Nuestra Señora de Antipolo, celebrated every May 22. Do you want a healthy snack or dessert? We have it here in Bula. Cassava Rock and Roll is one of the locally made products that Bula has to offer. You can eat it with sprinkled sugar, but personally, a sangkaka syrup on it is much better. Sangkaka or minatamis na bao is one of the locally made product of the town as well. It is traditionally used as a food or beverage sweetener but is healthier. Sangkaka is made of sugar cane that the local produce from the scratch.
That concludes the beauty and history of Bula. This town has its truly beauty and historical heritage. Once again, this is Helena Faye Cortero, and this is my home.
Unuman pansakit na bagagyan palaban. Pinabubukan